Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we'll be preparing cheese cream. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification on so that every time I post a new video, you will be notified about it. I've taken half liter of milk. I would let the milk boil and the milk is boiling now. I will just lower the flame. Now I'm gonna add lemon juice to the milk. I've taken half lemon and mixed 2 tablespoons of water to it. I'm adding the lemon juice gradually. And once you've added the lemon juice and just stirred it, just wait for about 10 seconds and you can see that curdle. So now we'll just strain it with the help of a strainer. I'm also using a white clean cloth. And please don't waste the whey because it's quite useful and healthy. You can use it to make soup or you can knead the dough with the help of the whey. So here I'm straining and separating the curdle and the whey. And if you like my recipe, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Now I'll be adding cold water to the curdle here so that we can remove the excess of lemon flavor, and I will let the curdle rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the excess of water can be released. And I'm not squeezing that, I'll just keep it the way it is. Now the excess of water is released. I'm adding this curdle to a jar here. I'll be blending it with the help of the whey. I've added about 2 spoons of whey here. We need a smooth consistency like this. You can store it for 1 week in an airtight container. Cream cheese is ready. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please do subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you.